Hey guys, it's Chris, the tiny house guy, and we have snow. How exciting is that? I don't have too much to show you this weekend as far as updates goes. Today's Sunday, and since we got snow last night, and this is actually pretty hard, crusty snow, so the trails are going to be covered up really nicely for snowmobiling. So today we got the side-by-side loaded up, and we're about to head out and do some trail clearing just to make sure we can pass. It kind of sucks having to carry a chainsaw on your snowmobile, so I'd rather do it before the snow comes on the side-by-side. So to show you what we got done, so the first thing you notice is I have the best darn YouTube channel in the world on my new television set. How exciting is that? So this is mounted on an arm. This kind of swings out. You can lift it up, kind of do this and pull it out and turn it so I can, watch it from in bed, watch it from sitting down here on the bench. So that's pretty cool. We've kind of made some decisions. Oh, actually, this is a what the hell is it? It's a Vizio TV. It was 139 bucks, and then mounted to it, I have this is a Roku box, and I got the Roku remote. So that was, I don't know, 35 bucks. So it's not the most expensive television set, but it is 1080p, and it looks like it's gonna be just fine. The speakers kind of suck, but maybe I'll get some others. So what we're gonna do is I've kind of decided how this is gonna go. So this platform is going to get mounted in several points, mounted down, and then there's this is going to turn into just a wiring box with right in here I'm going to mount a metal plate, which will have switches on it. So it'll be a switch plate. So it'll be a transfer switch and some various, the lights and things like that. This is mounted now officially, so the sink is cool. It's got a stopper in it. That's that. I don't have the drain in yet, but the drain's going to go there. It'll probably be a tube that goes down sort of through the floor. I will have a hole I'm going to drill a hole in the bed of my truck, and that's how it'll drain out. I can either drain into a catch basin or just onto the ground, depending upon what I'm flushing out. We will see. Starting to think about storage. So those baskets are an idea I got from the Kimbo camper guys. They use baskets everywhere. So I think it's a really good idea instead of hiding stuff in cubbies or whatever. Baskets are nice. This is a longer basket. I think those are 12-inch baskets. This is a 14-inch basket this is about 6 inches. So we're gonna use a bunch of those. Underneath here, there's definitely gonna be a bunch of storage, either baskets or nets or something. Of course, right in here, we'll have two jugs of water. And the faucet's gonna go in here, and there'll be a tube that goes down and sucks out of those jugs. Next week, I have to go I have to install that stove. That's going to be not much fun. I do have some parts out here. I wonder if I have the parts to show you. I don't think I do. But believe me, the mounting or the chimney is going to be very interesting. So you're going to want to watch that one. So anyway, that's kind of what we got. It's only like a 3-minute video, but it's okay. We don't have too much to show anyway. So, and this, maybe I should talk about this a little more. Whoops, as I smash the screen with my thumb. Let me just do this in here. It's a little stiff right now, but I think what's going to happen, this is going to fit. So that's going to fit probably right about there. I think I'm going to try and do a strap so that it straps itself to the wall, and then some other kind of a latch, or maybe some kind of a latch mechanism attached to the arm back here. I can't really see the arm, but we'll see how that goes. It's pretty much out of the way now. I don't think I'm going to hit it, getting up into bed. But you definitely don't want it rattling around when you're driving. So some kind of a latch on there. I'm not sure how that'll be, but we'll see. Anyway, that's all I got. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.